In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Inspector for quick data management. Salesforce Inspector is a powerful tool designed to make data handling in Salesforce a breeze, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by navigating to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is your go-to place for finding applications and extensions that enhance your browsing experience on Google Chrome. In the search bar, simply type in Salesforce Inspector to locate the extension. It's important to ensure you find the right one, as there might be several options with similar names. Once you've found it, click on the Add to Chrome button. This process will install Salesforce Inspector directly into your browser, providing a seamless integration with your existing tools. Now that we have the extension added, it's time to log into your Salesforce account. Open Salesforce in your browser and enter your credentials as you normally would. Remember, you need the right permissions to access certain features in Salesforce, so make sure your account is set up appropriately. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open any record within your Salesforce account. This could be a contact, an opportunity, or any other record type you work with regularly. The Salesforce Inspector provides detailed insights and additional functionalities when you're viewing these records. Next, you'll notice a new option called Show All Data when you have a record open. Click on this option to proceed. This is where the power of Salesforce Inspector really shines, as it allows you to instantly view all fields associated with that specific record. Whether it's standard fields or custom ones, everything is displayed for you, making data analysis much more effective. While viewing these fields, you'll find that you can easily copy field values or the entire record ID with just a single click. This feature is particularly useful when you need to transfer data quickly or keep track of specific records. Finally, one of the standout features of Salesforce Inspector is the ability to import and export data with speed and efficiency. If you have large data sets that need to be moved in or out of Salesforce, this tool can significantly simplify and accelerate that process, saving you precious time and reducing potential errors. In summary, Salesforce Inspector is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to manage their Salesforce data more effectively. From installing the extension and logging into your Salesforce account to utilizing its powerful data inspection and management features, each step contributes to a smoother and more efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as useful as I do.